They took a 2-pound tub of jelly that your nan used and turned it into an 80-pound slugging system. Petrolatum, the same ingredient in Vaseline, suddenly became breathable barrier balm, skin flooding occlusive, overnight miracle mask. And they convinced millions of women that unless you buy their version, your skin barrier is broken. Because nothing terrifies the beauty industry more than women realizing something cheap and effective already works. Today, we're breaking down the science, the cost, and the manipulation. Slugging itself isn't the scam. The way it's being sold to you absolutely is. I'm Heather, a chemistry graduate turned finance director, and I expose the beauty lies designed to keep women overspending. By the end of this video, you'll know when slugging actually works, how to do it for pennies, and how the industry turned a humble hack into a luxury cash grab. If you've spent 5 minutes on TikTok, you've seen it. Shiny, glazed faces promising overnight glass skin. Slugging exploded into a multi-million-pound trend, but it's not new. Generations of women, especially Black and Indigenous communities, have used petroleum jelly for decades to soothe dryness, protect eczema, and heal cracked skin. Dermatologists have recommended it forever. It just wasn't aesthetic. It wasn't clean beauty. And most importantly, it wasn't monetizable until, of course, someone slapped a pastel label on it. So why did a 2-pound hack suddenly become a revolutionary 3-step barrier ritual? Because this was never about skincare. It was always about profit. When you apply a thin layer of occlusive like petrolatum over your moisturizer, it forms a physical seal. It doesn't hydrate you. It traps the hydration you already have. This process, which is reducing transepidermal water loss, can cut evaporation by up to 98%. And that's why it's brilliant for dry skin, irritated skin, compromised barriers, and winter climates. The catch, though, is that it traps everything. If you've got actives like acids or retinoids, heavy oils, dirt, bacteria, or clogged pores, you're now sealing those in too. So slugging can be a miracle or a big mistake. But none of this requires a fancy balm, which brings us to a giant tub of Vaseline, which is £4 for 250 grams, which is about 4p per use. Future-wise, Zit Sticker, Dua, and other slugging brands, they're about 25 to 45 quid per jar. Future-wise even created a whole slugging system. Slug Boost, Slug Cream, and Slug Balm, totaling 70 to 80 pounds. The Future-wise balm alone is £1.50 per use. That's a 37 times markup. If you slug every night, that's more than 500 quid per year on something that could have cost 15. And the punchline is, dermatologists still recommend plain petrolatum because it's inert, effective, and has decades of data behind it. But no one is funding a #sponsored post for a 2-pound Vaseline tub. So the industry did what it does best.
I was recently gifted these skincare products from, I think, a new skincare brand called Future-wise. And first up, obsessed with the packaging. I had to match it for the video. But the more I creep their website, they definitely share my love of barrier repair and hydration. And I love when skincare is fun and effective. Like, why can't we have both? ¿Por qué no los dos?
So I was sent this slugging system. It comes with 3 products. First up is the Slug Boost. This is a hydrating mist with hyaluronic acid. Y'all know I think HA is boring, but when we pair it with polyglutamic acid and glycerin, now I'm listening. Slug Cream is a barrier repair moisturizer. This has a vegan triple lipid complex and the peptide palmitoyl tetrapeptide 10, which has been dubbed the highlighting peptide because it leaves your skin looking plump and glowing. Then the Slug Balm. This is a petrolatum-free occlusive with plant-based oils, bisabolol, and a lipid complex as well. Melts down super easy, does not feel heavy or sticky, just feels nice and slick on the skin. I am curious as to what the plant oil blend is because I was not able to find that on the website.
I am still testing these, but I have a feeling you guys are going to be seeing this brand way more from me.
Rebrand, inflate, manipulate. Let's break down these tactics. Your barrier is broken. Before TikTok, nobody panicked about transepidermal water loss. Now everyone thinks their barrier is damaged, compromised, or fragile. Fear sells better than moisture. Brands whisper is made from gasoline. Meanwhile, dermatologists say is one of the safest, most effective ingredients we have. So brands sell you a £40 clean occlusive, made from the same waxes and oils, just scented and pressed into a pastel jar. Slugging has deep roots in communities that use simple, accessible remedies, long before it was TikTok aesthetic. The beauty industry erased the heritage and replaced it with barrier care for the modern woman. They sell empowerment, but what they're really selling is dependency. One-step hack became a cleanser, a booster, a cream, a balm, a ritual, a routine, a lifestyle, and suddenly you're 200 quid deep in products, trying to recreate something your grandma did with one tub. Slugging is brilliant for dry skin, irritated skin, compromised barriers, eczema hotspots, and winter dryness. Slugging is not ideal if you're oily or acne prone, you get clogged pores easily, or you're using strong actives. Slugging over retinoids can amplify irritation. Think of it as slugging hydration in. Try not to slug problems in. So here's how to slug. I feel weird saying slug all the time. So here's how to slug without being scammed. Start with clean skin. Apply your moisturizer and add a pea-sized amount of plain petroleum. Yes, Vaseline. Use it on dry zones, cheeks, under eyes, and not your whole face. Do it 1 to 2 nights per week, not every night. And that's it. No slug serum, no slug booster, no slug barrier milk, just chemistry that works without the markup. Slugging was never meant to drain your bank account. It's one of the few beauty hacks that actually saves you money. And that's why the industry just couldn't leave it alone. Because once women realize that cheap, simple products work, the barrier repair shelves start looking unnecessary. The 80 quid kits lose their shine. The fear loses its power. Good skin isn't about spending more. It's about understanding more. When you know how ingredients work, you spend differently. You stop buying out of panic, you stop blaming yourself, and you start investing in what actually helps you. So yes, slugging works, but it was never a miracle, and it was never meant to cost 80 quid. You're not broken, you're just being marketed to. And once you see that, you start to spend and feel differently. I've put a free smart beauty spending guide into the description. It shows you exactly when to splurge and when to save, and how to stop falling for the industry's BS. Because your skin doesn't need another miracle. It needs the truth. And next time, we're taking this even further, because the beauty industry has found a brand new way to rebrand less is more into buy more minimalism.